Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest.
Hello.
My friend Genevieve. I picked her up off the street actually. She sucks dick for $1. So if you guys want to holler,
okay,
leave the comments down below.
$10.
So when the fuck did you raise your price, girl?
I told you, New Year's resolution.
Resolution.
Resolution. I still can't even.
Bitch still can't say it. Resolution. Anyways, today we have a fun video for you guys. She's gonna be doing my makeup drunk. As you guys know, I do this shit in 10 minutes because if I didn't time it, it would take like a fucking hour. So, we got Jaeger, we got Bud Light, we got Modelo, and we actually already drank a full fucking 3-pack, but to show you guys we're legit, we're gonna take a shot right here on camera. So if you guys are under 21, then don't play along with this shit. Don't watch this shit. Go watch Disney Channel. And we're just gonna fucking take a shot of Jaeger. So yes, are you ready, girl?
Warm Jaeger.
Warm Jaeger, yeah. I like cold Jaeger, but fuck it, we're doing it. So just to let you guys know that we're fucking legit as fuck, alright? So
legit as
yes.
fuck.
I'm only filling it halfway, but this is like a double shot though. Oh fuck, mine is more than yours. Fuck it, cheers. Anyways, here we go. Cheers to our first video together. This is our first video.
Right?
Oh wait, let me give you guys a little rundown on this bitch, okay? I have literally known her since we were what, 11?
Yes.
11 years old.
11.
Yes, we met each other in the 6th grade.
Oh, that's so funny.
Yes,
oh,
I'm sure
shit.
you guys have seen her on my Snapchat. She's always on my Snapchat, always partying with me and stuff like that. So, I finally got her to do a fucking video with me. So you guys, if she's a little bit shy, don't be harsh on her, okay?
No.
It's her first video, but yeah, let's take some motherfucking shot. Get this shit started.
There we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Not bad.
Whew. You take it like a champ, but you swallow loads for a living, so.
I do. I do.
Wait, is your mom gonna watch this?
Probably.
Oh fuck! I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Hi, Mom.
Turn the fuck away, okay? All right, you guys. So we're getting ready to do this little fucking challenge here. Like I said in the intro, 10 minutes because fuck this shit. So we're both drunk. This bitch is drunk and a little bit high, and I'm a little bit high too, like my cholesterol. So she has all my makeup laid out in front of her: foundation, lashes, powder, everything. She's gonna do my makeup in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna set this shit down on the timer. Are you ready, girl?
I sure am. Let's do this bullshit.
So just so that you guys know, wait, this is your first time doing somebody else's makeup, right?
Yes, and I don't even do my own makeup like all this.
Normally, let me tell you, she normally wears like powder, sometimes foundation.
No, the normal routine right now is fucking mascara and a clear lip gloss.
Wait, no foundation, no powder?
No foundation, no powder, no contour, just some mascara. Oh, and I draw on a little eyebrow.
A little eyebrow, but she's never done somebody else's makeup before, so this is her first fucking
time. So this is gonna be fun.
This is gonna be really fun. So as you guys know, I like having people on here getting drunk and doing my makeup because it's fun as fuck. Why the fuck not? So you ready? Because I'm ready to press start.
Okay, press start.
Ready? Okay.
Yes,
all right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
For sure.
Okay.
All right.
What are you starting off with?
This little Revlon foundation bullshit.
The Revlon foundation. God damn, bitch. I know I got a big face, but that's a whole lot. Oh, fuck. Here we go.
All right.
Yo.
Nah.
Girl, that shit's wetter than your pussy.
There's no such thing. No such thing.
The ocean's wetter than your pussy.
No such thing. No such thing.
Oh my god. How is that color though? Because I don't remember what it looks like. It's pale as fuck, huh?
It looks all the same to me, you know.
Oh, okay.
Let me not get in your little nose piercing.
Oh yeah, my fucking nose ring is infected as usual.
Trust
that shit
me,
always gets infected.
My fucking nipple, I just cleared that fucking infection.
Dude,
Bullshit.
you had your nipples pierced for years. What the fuck are you talking about?
I don't know why. This one is just never.
Oh,
never
too much semen.
You know.
I'm jealous.
Don't be a hater. Go get you some. Ain't that hard?
I feel like I look pale as fuck.
I feel like I just
Wait, is it pale? Oh, I feel like I look like a fucking goat. No, okay, no, I'm not supposed to look. Oh, sorry, I'm not supposed to look.
Keep your eyes closed.
Sorry, I know. Fuck. There's no mirror looking at me, and I can't tell her what to do. So she's just doing it on her own.
But do I do eyebrows next?
No, you do what you want. You do what you want.
Oh shit. I'm gonna do eyeshadow because it's colorful and fun.
Yes.
Right?
Colorful and fun. Everybody.
But there's too many goddamn brushes. What kind of?
You no, I can't
Really?
tell you. You pick whatever one you want.
Oh,
but
yeah.
I will tell you though, girl, you got 8 minutes.
I did 2 minutes on that bullshit.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
You got.
Okay.
Hurry up!
I'm gonna use.
She's using the Saharan palette by Juvia's hometown.
With the
buffet.
lady, hometown buffet.
Oh damn, my big ass head hit the fucking backdrop. I'm fucking up the backdrop. Okay.
Hometown buffet.
Fuck, whatever the fuck her name
Sudoku.
is. Sudoku. Wait, somebody Sudoku. That's a game.
Yes, I printed some Sudoku.
It's a Sudoku. Wait,
yeah.
no. It's 7 minutes. Hurry up. We're on a time. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do fulala.
Okay, fulala. Okay.
Fula.
Where are you putting it at?
I don't run your eyelid.
Okay, oh.
Was that bad? Oh, I think you look beautiful.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, damn. Why the fuck you taking that up to my brow though? Like, I know you don't do makeup, but up to my brow?
It's not that bad. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me switch it up.
You guys, don't be smoking no motherfucking weed before you do your makeup, okay?
Nah, you're cool.
Okay, so now she's taking the shade Wanahaka.
Wanahaka is the gold one.
It's called Would-A-Be, not Wanahaka. Oh!
Oh, shit! You look like that lady from,
Genevieve! What the fuck, man? You're supposed to fucking make it look good.
I thought this would look good when I first...
Dude, I was supposed to go get some fucking dick after.
We could still arrange that. I mean...
Who's gonna wanna fuck this?
Guys are desperate.
Fuck you, bitch.
Guys are desperate.
Okay, so
Oh,
you
shit,
got
I forgot
one
the other
eye.
Oh, shit. I would keep forgetting about you have 2 eyes, motherfucker.
I thought I just had one. One eye Willie.
One.
I fucking had faith in this bitch. I was like, you know what? She knows how to dress really good. She always looks cute.
That's why
I can't see
makeup.
shit, but I could fucking see this. I could fucking see this.
I don't do...
6 minutes, girl. 6 minutes.
I got this bullshit.
Okay. Come on, Wanahaka. Are you putting that shit in my motherfucking brow?
No.
Bitch, you putting 24 karat gold dust in my fucking brow?
Hey, fancy bitch.
I can't afford that.
Yes, you can. I'm gonna make you look like you can, okay?
Oh, okay, thank you. I look like I'm from fucking Outer Games.
I think you look
Hunger Games.
Beautiful.
Outer Games.
Hunger Games, Outer Games. I think you look beautiful. Hold on.
Hold on. Okay, hurry up. We're alcoholics, so...
What's next?
You tell me, girl.
I'm not.
Wait, 5 minutes,
Mom.
5 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, hurry. Apúrate, wey. Rápido.
Oh, I'm trying to figure out what's next.
You got my eyes done. You got my foundation done.
Oh, what's next? The line. There we go.
I didn't help her out at all.
No. Oh, shit.
Any brush you want. Anywhere.
I'm gonna use this big one because...
Yeah, any... Oh.
the big
okay.
one.
God damn. She's doing my contour. My contour.
Contour. I can't even see it.
You can't see it.
It needs to be darker. I need this shit dark as fuck. Dark as fuck. Beautiful.
I want to look slim, okay?
You want to look like you have no nose, so I'm gonna just put this on there. Another side too.
No, you can't get on my nose.
No.
My
yeah,
infected
the other
shit.
side. I forgot
This shit's
about
fucking
that one.
infected. I already said that.
Soon enough, you'll fix it.
Yeah. Whoa.
Just a little salt water, you know.
A little salt water, a little pussy clit.
Pussy juice.
Yo, fucking $300 Tiffany fucking bracelet necklace is hitting me in my eye. But God damn. Hit me in my eye, bitch.
Oh shit, it's lip time.
It's lip time?
Oh wait, no,
okay.
blush.
Oh, blush. Okay.
Yeah,
4
blush.
minutes. You got 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
What's the blush?
Anywhere.
Blush brush.
Anywhere. Bam, there you go.
The bigger the better.
The bigger the better. We're going in with the blush.
Hell yeah.
What? Is it really bad?
Oh no, you look beautiful.
You're a fucking liar.
I think you look
Mentirosa.
beautiful. I would go out like that. I mean,
She's a fucking liar. She loves Anna Nicole, so.
oh yes, bitch. R.I.P.
Wait, can I tell you guys a story? Let me tell you guys a story really, really fast while we're on camera. One time we were out, it has nothing to do with Anna Nicole, but we met Janice Dickinson and she asked us for cocaine!
She did!
She wanted to take a fucking picture with her and she was like, if you guys have some blow,
yes.
you have blow, I'll take a picture with you. Swear to God, true fucking story. She's like, if you guys have blow, I have the picture somewhere. I'm gonna fucking insert the picture somewhere in here, okay? I still have the fucking
really
picture.
Gross,
Who gives a fuck? We were fucked up.
That's
she asked us
true,
for
we were.
cocaine. Oh my God, 3 minutes. Sorry. Our story time's over. Okay, lips. Okay, I'll shut up.
No, wait, mascara.
Oh, mascara. Oh, fuck.
Good luck.
Oh, goddamn. Okay, I'm gonna just look down.
Big
okay?
T's.
Big T's.
Is this a good one?
We got the. I actually really like that.
Yeah?
Like a lot. Yeah. It's
I just bought
Buxom.
the YSL.
She got YSL because she's fancy as fuck. I can't afford that shit.
I just wanted to be fancy, but I didn't know if it would
No,
work.
but that shit's good though.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
Okay, ready? Hurry up.
Don't rush me, bitch.
I'm sorry. The time is
I got it. I just need my lips after. Let me see this one. Look, I could be a Mac. Fucking makeup artist.
You sure the fuck can. This is dangerous as fuck. Ah!
You got it.
Hey, but I'm good though. I'm used to shit going in my eyes. Ash, go dead.
That's
Anyway.
how I got pink eye.
Bitch, you got pink eye right now.
That's because it's on really high. Really high.
No, Sonia, she doesn't do drugs.
See, Sonia, I see.
No, turn away. Okay, we're doing the lips now. We're taking, what is this?
Party Girl.
Party Girl by Violet Voss.
I kind of like this one. Let's see.
I never tried it.
I'm about to see. Oh my god, so pretty! I'm gonna fuck your lip up though because I can't really.
No, I think I look so cute.
Oh, that's not a nasty noise at all.
I'm doing my fucking
I
Habibi.
picked it up. Go like this. Oh yeah.
Draw it on the top. Oh my god, we got 1 minute 30 seconds.
Oh, hold on, I got.
Oh, that smells like an old crayon. Mm.
Oh, you're not lying.
It smells like an old ass crayon. Like that crayon's from 1992.
Yeah.
Do you smell it? No,
Yeah.
not cool.
Oh.
Oh, goddamn.
Dude, I'm so bad at this. This is kind of embarrassing for a girl.
Roman did a better job than you, bitch.
This is embarrassing! No. I can make it a little better.
Okay, 1 minute. Make it better.
1 minute? I got it. Oh, maybe I just made it a little worse. You sound like a dolphin.
I feel like you just drew that shit all the way down. You got 40 seconds. Hurry up. Fix whatever you want to fix. Hurry up.
I don't know. I think you're actually pretty perfect.
You think I'm pretty perfect?
I think he's pretty perfect.
If you were a guy, would you fuck me?
I would fuck the shit out of him.
Really?
Oh.
She's hot as
multiple
fuck.
times.
She's fucking lying. She got 20 seconds. She ain't doing shit left. I'm looking in that motherfucking camera and I feel like I look like a fucking powdered jelly donut. I look white as fuck, red cheeks.
Who doesn't
red
like
ass
a
lips.
powdered jelly? Never mind. I don't like powdered jelly donuts. So
I do. I'd fuck me.
He said shut the fuck up. What the hell? He's cute. I did a great job. Who's in line? Who's next? Who's next?
Time is up.
Nice.
Time is
I
up.
love it.
Okay, so I want to know who the fuck wants to get their makeup done by her. Not me. Anyways, I'll just like...
Get in line.
Hold on, wait. Let me take a drink of my fucking beer and I'm gonna look at this shit. And I feel like I'm gonna scream because if I
In
can
your
see...
broken ass mirror.
Girl, I got 8 years of bad luck.
8 years. I bet you got more than that.
That's true. My whole life's been bad luck.
That's
Okay.
true.
You ready for this shit?
I show
You ready?
him. I
You
show
ready?
him. Yes.
I had fucking faith in her, man. My lips, at least.
That was
dude.
where he was wrong right there. Don't have faith in me.
Okay, but I will say though, the gold on the eyebrow lid. I mean, eyebrow lid. What the fuck is an eyebrow lid? The fucking gold on my fucking brow bone. Honestly, I like it. I'm for it. The foundation isn't bad.
Yes.
The lips, fucking horrendous.
Can't even do my own lips, so that's
Yeah.
why we're clear.
Okay, so to give you a score from 1 to 10, I'll give you a 2.
I'll take it! Yay! I love it. It works.
Anyways, you guys, that completes this video. So look, I'm gonna get drunk and do her makeup in 10 minutes for the next video. So we'll do that within hopefully the next week or so. And are you ready for that?
I sure am. I sure motherfucking am.
So anyways, yes, if you guys like Genevieve, make sure you guys go to her channel. I mean her channel. Bitch ain't got a channel. Go to her Instagram.
Like me. What the fuck?
No, well, they probably won't like you because you're fucking conceited as fuck. But just go to her. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Just go to her Instagram, and if you're a guy, give her $1 and a Big Mac, and she'll fuck you.
I don't really like McDonald's, so.
Get the fuck off my channel, bitch. Bye.
I prefer Jack in the Box.
Okay, what do you want from Jack in the Box?
The 2 tacos.
Two tacos, and you get to fuck her. Okay.
Not even, bitch. Not even. You wish. $500.
$500.
Serious bidders only. Get in line.
Anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys like this fucking video, give it a big thumbs up because why the fuck not? Thank you. Look at her Barbie nails. They're Barbie rainbow unicorn glitter cunt pussy hole.
I love it.
Anyways, give this video a big thumbs up and we'll catch you guys in our next video. Peace out, Girl Scout. Alright, girl, you ready to rumble?
Yes, sir.
Rakishi!
Oh, when he sits on the fucking face and when he says, ew.
I'm
That's a sweaty
Rakishi.
ass.
I don't give a fuck. Sweaty ass tastes better.
Not for me.
I'm just playing. I'm totally just playing. I'm not.
He's not. He is.